5 great apps to make money with your phone in 2019. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. How you can download for free 5 apps that you can get started with to make some money with your phone. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, make sure you watch the whole video. I'm actually going to share with you a bonus app also, so make sure you stick till the end of the video so you don't miss out on any important information on these apps. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you'll find my #1 recommendation right here below this video. But we save that for the end of the video, of course, because for now we want to see those 5 or actually 6 apps that we can download for free and start to make money with. Let's get started. Alright, so the first app that we're going to have a look at today is Depop. Depop, and you can see here it says rework your style. What you do here is you buy and sell and discover fashion from the most inspired community of creatives in the world. So if I have a closer look at it, basically in the Google Play here, you can see that you buy and sell your clothes, sneakers, accessories and more on the creative community's ultimate fashion marketplace. Depop shops streetwear brands, rare vintage pieces and discover the latest trends all from your phone. So it's a pretty unusual way, I would say, actually, but definitely a good way to get started with to make some money with your phone there. So have a look at it. Just type Depop on Google, or if you are on Google Play or iOS, you can find it by just typing Depop there. Alright, let's move on to the next opportunity here, and that is an app called Paribus. Paribus, you can see here, you find out if stores owe you a refund. So how does this work? Well, basically you shop online, you enjoy your shopping online as you normally would, and Paribus actually monitors prices. It tracks your confirmation emails and watches for price changes so you don't have to. What happens is that if there is a lower price, you will get your money back. So when they actually detect a potential savings, they'll let you know and help you get your money back there. So really super nice and easy, and you can see here the track purchases from 25 plus major retailers. And it includes actually Amazon, Target, Nordstrom, Walmart, Gap, Macy's. So it's really definitely a great app actually to get started with, to of course make some money back on. A popular cashback site is Dosh.cash, which is available on both App Store and Google Play. And you can see here what you do is you connect your card, so you just shop and dine out, you pay with your link card at thousands of stores and restaurants, and you get up to 10% cash back automatically in your Dosh wallet. Another opportunity that you can make money with this app is that you can actually refer your friends to Dosh and get $5 for each one who signs up and links a verified card. Then you transfer your cash. You can do what you want. You can do it to your bank accounts, PayPal, or donate to charity from the app there. And you can see that there is a lot of brands here that are available with the Dosh Cash app. Okay, so just type Dosh.cash, or of course you can find it straight away if you are in your iPhone or your Android device there. Let's move on to another way we can make money with our phone there, and it is actually by giving the data One of these opportunities is mobile expression. Mobile expression is a market research panel designed to understand the trends and behaviors of people using the mobile internet. So basically you allow them to have your data from whatever you search on and your behavior there. So if I have a closer look here on Google Play, you can see it's provided to you by one of the largest market research organizations, and they help app developers and other companies understand how consumers use the mobile internet. When you join the panel, they reward you with a variety of benefits for your participation. And you can see here you earn credits instantly when you join, actually straight away. You continue to earn credits by simply keeping the app active, okay? So of course you redeem your credit card for gift cards to a great selection of retailers there. So that is how it works. You give your data there so they can see and track on your behaviors and so on. Mobile expression, you can see here on mobile expression panel. Have a look at it. Definitely another great free app to sign up and make money with. Let's move on to something different now, and that is go to Foap, Foap.com, and you can make money here actually by simply uploading your videos and photos. So when a brand and an agency or just anyone who finds your work outstanding, they purchases a video or a picture from your online Foap portfolio, and they share that 50-50 with you, which is not bad at all. What you do is you take part in creative video and photo missions for brands and win hundreds of dollars for just one video or picture there. Have a look at the details at Foap.com. This is available on both App Store and Google Play. So just check out the details there to get started with Foap.com. Alright, let's move on to the final and the bonus app that I want to share with you here, and that is Swagbucks. If you have a look at Swagbucks.com, you can see here put cash back in your wallet. Has tons of references and good reviews. You can see it has been seen on BuzzFeed, the Penny Hoarder, ABC, the Huffington Post. And what you do is you earn points by shopping online, watch entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals to earn your points there. Of course, you redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon or Walmart, or, which you probably would be interested and is preferred, is to get cash back from PayPal. You can see here they already paid over 369 million US dollars here. Has great reviews, and by just having a quick look here at the Google Play, of course, it more or less explains actually the same here. Here it says they have actually paid over 550 million, so I guess it goes pretty fast there since they haven't updated the site there. And it is, as I said, watching fun videos, shopping top e-commerce sites, answering surveys, shopping local deals, searching the web, and you can see here you'll receive your anytime for 5 up to 25 gift cards for Amazon, PayPal, Target, Starbucks, and more. So for more exciting ways, visit swagbucks.com. On a desktop, of course, you have to sign up there and get started to download it. Has pretty good reviews also, so definitely a cool way to get started to make some more money with. Alright, so there you have it. We had Depop, number one. You can see here, buy and sell discovery fashion from the most inspiring community of creatives in the world. We had Paribus, which tracks the prices there. So every time they find something with a lower price, you can see here they refund the money straight to you. Okay, so have a look at it. It is available on paribus.co. Then we had the Dosh.cash, very popular app actually, where you can make also money with referring friends there, besides for shopping and dining outside there. And of course you transfer to PayPal or your bank account there. We had the data sharing, the mobile expression where you share your data. You don't do anything at all actually here. You just allow them to have access to your behavior there, what you do, what you search for, and so on. And we had also FOAP, okay, which is for photo and videos that you upload, and every time some advertising company and so on is interested, they purchase it and you get 50-50 share with FOAP.com. Alright, those apps won't probably make you rich there, so if you're interested and serious about building a real online business, make a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure you smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine. I highly recommend you to subscribe to both. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.